Welcome. My name is Max Hackman, and today we're going to search the New York Times current database. First thing we want to do once we get to the library's homepage is scroll down and select the database link on the right-hand side of the page. This will take us to an alphabetical listing of all the databases that Daytona State College Library has to offer. Select the N, and then we want the New York Times current. Normally this would ask you to log in at this point, but I've already logged in, so if you have any trouble with that, please reach out to us and either through chat or email, and we can help you out with that. First thing I want to note is that this search box that you see up here at the top is actually going to search the entire Gale database. If you only want to search within the New York Times, you'll have to search over here on the right-hand side. So keep that in mind. You can also have the ability to search individually by day, so you can search that entire day's newspaper, going back all the way up until 1985 on this section in the current database. So let's go ahead and search for zoos. Do a quick search here, and you can see the limits or the results will show up here at the top. So we have over 10,000 results. You can say it's being sorted by relevance here to begin with. If you look over here on the right hand side, there's even more limiters you can use. Let's go ahead and use the article limiter. We'll apply that. Give it a second here, and it's gotten rid of about 3,000 articles or results that were there. We'll go ahead and select the first one here, and I'll show you what an actual article looks like. Up here at the top, the citation is available. You can download it, and you can get the permalink that'll allow you to come right back here. The citation for Gale allows you to have MPA, MLA, APA, and Chicago Tribune style provided for you. Remember, those are machine generated, so you'll want to double check them for accuracy. The title is available to you, the author, the publication date, obviously the publisher, and how long it is by words is available here at the top. And again, you can download it. You can also save it to your Google Drive or Microsoft One account, and you can actually listen to this article as well in an MP3 format if that would help. If you guys have any issues searching, please reach out to us through chat or email.